3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, which of course equals 12. Looking at the rows, so 4, 4, and 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. Another possible response is counting by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Another possibility is counting by ones, but seeing them in their columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. You may have students tell you that they see 6 with the flowers and 6 without. In that case, I would suggest trying to encourage the students to expand upon how did they get that 6, because possibly they were seeing it as a 2, and a 2, 2, 4, 6, and then seeing that that's another 6. Another student might actually have seen a 3 and a 3. 3 plus 3 is 6, and then again recognizing that there is another 6. Some students may count by 2s. So they might see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. What ways did your students come up with